How I made $625 on a 50k funded account challenge before school and during school. First I waited for London session to open at 8, then I marked out previous liquidity. Then I waited for market to get to my liquidity. It hit my liquidity, so I waited for a break structure, which happened around this time. Then I put my entry, marked my stop loss and my take profit, and that was basically it. The next trade I took was in school, which was the biggest trade of the day, which made me around 500 bucks. I won't explain how I took this trade because it's literally the same strategy I used for the previous trade I just showed you. This is my first 20k month, and these are some of my weekly payments. I may just have spent $2 grand on a PC, but my accountant says I could get a tax deduct on it, so I should be alright.
Let him cook! Let him cook now! Let him cook!